Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today I'm on the Monogram Hearth. We use the fruit setting, the stone fruit. What I have are some plums, just oiled, crack of sea salt, and a little bit of brown sugar on there. We're gonna put it right in here, put it right in our dome. So we use the roasted fruit setting right here as the designated setting. That's 1300 on the deck, and that's 250 degrees on the bottom. So a huge variance there. So think about the stone fruits. They're so high, being that they're arced, that they're really gonna get that top amount of heat. And that 250 on the bottom is just gonna heat the bottom up ever so slightly. So around 7 to 8 minutes for that. And we're gonna check that out. This is an ideal for doing roasted fruit with berries and like maybe your desserts, or like this as a roasted fruit salad. So we're gonna roast these plums, add some goat cheese, it could go into a salad or any other component to really caramelize the fruit. So stay tuned to this one. Okay, we're at the halfway point here. The rotate sign has been over, so let's follow our directions. Look how great this is already at halfway. See how nice we scored them? Look at that. So we're just gonna put them back in, probably a couple more minutes, but they look outstanding right now. All right, guys, so we had about an 8-minute timer, but we're at like 2 minutes and 30 seconds left on that one. Let's pull this out, check our work. But this is great grilled stone fruit. Look at that, even browning from edge to edge. Just a nice slight char. We'll let these cool and we'll dice these. Another perfect one from the hearth.